You know, it tastes good, so you try. You may say, oh, I may like it, I may not like it. Overproof it in there? Huh? Overproof for them? A little bit.